Hi guys, I'm back again. I'm Maria. I gonna unbox again together with you the thing that I ordered in Louis Vuitton online. See. Oh, nice. Inilagay nila yung ribbon kasi usually pag umorder ako, itong lace, naka-wrap lang. But it's okay. So, I have this card. So, meron siyang exchange and return. For example, instruction and policy. Yung thank you card nila. And then the receipt. And usually, they always put this one, a blank card. Para kung personalize gusto mo. Kung if you will give this as a gift, then meron kang paglalagyan ng letter. Here. Naku, ang tagal-tagal ko itong laging inaantabayan online. Lagi na lang wala. Laging ubos. Here. The key pouch in Damier Ebene collection. So, meron na ako nung dalawa. Nung other two. The monogram and the Damier Azure. So, ito na lang yung kulang ko. Done! Love it! Next time, guys, I'll gonna give a review. Bakit gusto ko tong key pouch ng Louis Vuitton. I have this other three. It's here. The other two collection. Okay, bye-bye. See you!